Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for April 26th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair. We had the breakout that we were looking for on Friday. It did break out and close below the support that it had been testing pretty much all week. We are looking for this pair to continue to move lower. Now, this pair did gap a fairly significant amount on the open. We do expect to see a retracement of this gap prior to Friday's close. It's probably there's a 89.1% chance that it will do so prior to this coming Friday's close. So we do expect that to occur at some point. We are looking for this pair to move potentially as high as 98.88 and possibly as low as 95.83. Now look for some resistance around 97.55 and look for some support around 96.61. Now switching over to the Euro USD pair. This pair closed up Friday, appears to be moving higher and the bias is to the upside. We are expecting this pair to move potentially as high as 134.21 and looking on the downside around 130.01. Look for some resistance around 133.11. Look for some support around 131.59 on this pair. Now switching over to the pound US dollar pair. This pair closed down after breaking the high on Friday. It did close down. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways. The bias is definitely sideways currently. We are expecting this pair to possibly go as high as 149.12 and possibly as low as 144.22. Look for some resistance around 147.41 and look for some support around 145.69 in this particular pair. Now let's take a look at the US Swiss. This pair moved much lower on Friday. It came near to previous support. I anticipate us hitting that support during this next session. The bias is definitely to the downside, and currently though. We are looking for this pair to move possibly as high as 116.19 and looking on the lower side around 112.48. Look for some resistance around 114.57 and look for some support around 113.46. Now, there are no news announcements for tomorrow, nothing significant coming out actually till Wednesday. We are looking for looking at a trade though in the euro pound. This particular pair formed an overextended bar at the on Friday. We are looking to take this particular trade, looking to buy at the 0.9034 level and looking to exit this particular trade at the 0.9080 80 price. Now this is only 46 pips. I do realize it's not very much as far as our target, but the overextended bars do have a very high rate of success from moving from the previous close up to the high. So with this gap down, I do anticipate this pair moving higher to fill the gap at some point, and with that we should get a run up to the upside for that trade. When you go to trade this trade, just use a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That about does it for today. There's really not a whole lot of setups going into this new session this week, but I'm sure we will find more that come about during this next week. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.